Yo, what's up? Sean Keys here again, working on this record for my guy Anthony Nelson. And I want to show y'all something, man. I used loop elements on this particular track because I felt like it needed it to lift the vibe of the record and to keep the record moving, so to speak, right? So I'm gonna let you hear without the loop in it, right? So let me start it right here. Check it out. So this is a dry without the loop. It's funky, it's groovy, but it's missing something, right? Let it play through the verse. Hey. So look, now let's go back to that same thing with loop elements. Watch how it lifts the record and pushes the drums more forward, and you can feel the groove a little bit more. Watch this. See, it's moving now. I mean, the record needed it, and it gave it exactly what it needed to have, you know. Loop elements, man, gospelproducers.com. You gotta have it. It's a must-have. So check out how loop elements sounds by itself. Now, loop elements is so dope because all you have to do is hold down a key or two, and you can get a nice, solid loop. Man, this loop is so groovy by just pressing down two keys. Check it out. It's simple. Watch. Listen. Hey. Man, that's groovy. All by itself. It just lifted it, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Speaks for itself.
Y'all, I want to thank you for making it to the end of this clip. We appreciate you watching this breakdown. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to check out the links right over here. If you want to take your production, mixing, or whatever to the next level, or check out some of the other products that we have, make sure you check the links down in the description and in the comment section of this video. All right, I appreciate you guys. We'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.